Today we're gonna make this summer garlic, shrimp, and mango rice bowl. Get started on making our garlic shrimp bowl. I'm gonna make this family style today. So this has 1 cup of cooked rice in this bowl, and I'm gonna make this beautiful to serve on a table. So I have garlic shrimp right here. Follow this recipe to see how I made the garlic shrimp, and I'm gonna put the garlic shrimp right on the side of the bowl. So we're gonna assemble this really beautifully so that it's really great presentation. Pour the rest of the juice on top. So that's our shrimp. Then I have 1 mango. So just 1 mango, chop it up. We'll put that right here. So this is a great summer bowl. Nice and refreshing. So we have our mango here. And I love all the different colors. So next we're gonna do avocado. So avocado here, I had a small avocado, just sliced it up, but you wanna use 1 whole avocado for that. So that's pretty colors. Next, we're gonna do edamame. So I have edamame peas that I store-bought. They're so easy. They give a great texture to these bowls. So I'm gonna put that right next to the shrimp. Look at that, beautiful. And then I have chopped cilantro. So we're gonna put the cilantro down here. You can put a little bit on top as well, but I like it all lined up. I think it looks really beautiful. And then that way, when you dig in, you'll be able to get a little bit of everything. Look at that. And next, we're gonna do our dressing to top it off. So we have here olive oil and lime juice. Olive oil, lime, salt and pepper. And for a little spice, we're gonna do some chili flakes. Whisk that together. And pour that on top. Beautiful. This is ready to dig in. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for entertaining tips.